Introducing the epitome of luxury and refinement, the 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 sets a new standard in automotive excellence. With its iconic design and unparalleled craftsmanship, this SUV redefines opulence on the road. But does it truly live up to the legacy of Rolls-Royce's legendary reputation for luxury? In the realm of ultra-luxury SUVs, the Rolls-Royce Cullinan reigns supreme, and the 2025 Series 2 promises to elevate the experience to even greater heights. While retaining its core strengths of unparalleled comfort, effortless performance, and bespoke craftsmanship, the Cullinan Series 2 introduces subtle refinements that further enhance its allure. Under the hood, the mighty 6.75L twin-turbocharged V12 engine is expected to continue its reign, delivering an estimated 563 horsepower and 627 lb-ft of torque. This power plant ensures effortless acceleration and unwavering performance, effortlessly propelling the Cullinan from 0 to 60 miles per hour in a matter of seconds. The interior, the epitome of luxury, is a sanctuary of handcrafted materials, impeccable attention to detail, and the latest technological advancements. Passengers are cocooned in sumptuous leather seats, while the Starlight headliner, a fiber optic simulation of the night sky, adds a touch of celestial magic. The infotainment system, seamlessly integrated via Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensures occupants stay connected and entertained. The 2025 Rolls-Royce Cullinan Series 2 doesn't come with a modest price tag. With an estimated starting price of around $345,000, it firmly cements its position as the pinnacle of luxury SUVs. For those who demand the very best, the Cullinan Series 2 is an unparalleled choice, offering a blend of unparalleled refinement, effortless performance, and bespoke craftsmanship that redefines the automotive experience.